When most people think about a business owner, they think of an adult with years of experience. However, that is not always the case. One middle schooler at Antwerp goes to school, cheers at games, does homework, and runs a business. 14-year-old 8th grader Kalli sells baked goods to people for a variety of events. Billman started her business a couple years ago.
So it started with my aunt asking me to do her daughter's birthday cake. And then it wasn't until that Christmas that I decided to actually start social media so I could advertise my business.
From there, Kalli's business, Kalli's Kreations, only grew.
I advertise my business through Facebook and Instagram, and I also have business cards to give to people.
Billman receives support from her family as they help her run this business.
So usually I get all of my orders through Messenger or email. So it usually takes either a couple hours or a day or two for people to place an order. To get all of my ingredients, I usually have my mom or sister take me to the store to just buy all of them. Most of my cakes or anything is usually pickup, but if people don't live too far away, it can be delivery, or if they live really far away, it can be an in-between kind of spot.
Throughout the years, Billman has developed her business from cakes to all forms of desserts for all types of events.
So I do cakes, cupcakes, cake pops, and chocolate dipped things like pretzels or strawberries. My most popular is probably cupcakes. Some of the events I do are birthdays, baby showers, and bridal showers. I also do just special occasions, people coming into town. My most favorite are probably birthdays because there's just so many different themes and different things I can decorate the stuff with. So my prices are just $12 per dozen for unfilled cupcakes and $15 a dozen for filled. Cake prices usually just depend on the size of the cake and any kind of decorations that are on the cake. And my profits just go in a savings account for college.
Billman doesn't have any plans for her business in the future. However, opening a bakery is a possibility Billman is considering as a career. Isabelle Graham and Madison Peters, ALS TV.